how to put videos together to make one video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can put many videos together to just make one video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now let's say you have many videos available and that you would like to merge them into one particular video. It's quite simple, because for this you're not restricted to only one app. There are many apps that you can use, video editor apps such as InShot, CapCut, Air, or many of the other editing applications. Even TikTok, Instagram does give you this feature if you want to merge all those videos. Now for this case I'm using InShot application, which is completely free. After you open InShot, tap the video option, allow the access, and then just select the videos that you might want to maybe merge for some particular region. So you can just select that and then select, I'll just select 2 videos in this case, and I'll hit the arrow icon. After I do that, these videos are going to get merged. So you can see the first video. After the first video ends, you can see the second video. If you'd like to cut some portion of it, that is totally up to you. And after you do that, you can tap the save option depending upon the video editor application to merge all those videos into one videos. This way you should be able to merge so many videos into one particular video, no matter the amount. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.